Ready for some turbulence? Let's dive into why you don't get a parachute on your flight. Alright, picture this. You're 30,000 feet up and the flight attendant starts issuing parachutes. Sounds thrilling, right? But here's the scoop. Most emergencies happen during takeoff or landing. That's when parachutes are about as useful as a chocolate teapot. Plus, parachutes need training. It's not just a pull and pray situation. And let's be honest, would you trust your jump skills at cruising altitude? Lastly, imagine the chaos of hundreds of people trying to eject mid-air. It's safer to stay on board, trust me. So next time you fly, relax and leave the heroics to the professionals. Planes are designed to keep you safe. Follow for more fun facts.